What is the UN and OECD's role in AI ethics regulation? Have you ever wondered how global organizations shape the way artificial intelligence is developed and used? The United Nations and the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development play key roles in this area. They work to create frameworks and guidelines that ensure artificial intelligence is used responsibly and ethically. The United Nations focuses on providing a model policy framework for the responsible use of artificial intelligence. This framework emphasizes ethical standards, accountability, and compliance with international human rights. The United Nations encourages a multidisciplinary approach to assess the impact of artificial intelligence. They also promote systematic mapping and management of risks associated with artificial intelligence technologies. The governance principles of the United Nations highlight the importance of collaboration among various stakeholders. They align their efforts with the United Nations Charter and international human rights laws. The United Nations also supports international cooperation on artificial intelligence governance. They advocate for policies that connect artificial intelligence governance with data governance, promoting a shared data commons. On the other hand, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development was the first intergovernmental body to adopt principles for artificial intelligence. Their principles, first adopted in 2019 and updated in 2024, provide a set of values-based guidelines. These principles aim to promote innovative and trustworthy artificial intelligence that respects human rights and democratic values. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development's principles encourage responsible management of artificial intelligence. They aim for beneficial outcomes, such as enhancing human capabilities and reducing inequalities. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development also works to harmonize definitions related to artificial intelligence. This helps facilitate international cooperation across different countries. Together, the United Nations and the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development influence the global regulatory environment for artificial intelligence. They promote ethical frameworks that balance innovation with risk management and the protection of human rights. Their efforts guide governments and organizations in developing policies that ensure responsible deployment of artificial intelligence technologies. Practical applications of their frameworks include establishing accountability structures, conducting impact assessments, and creating guidelines for procurement. They also encourage collaboration among multiple stakeholders to support adaptive governance approaches. In essence, the United Nations focuses on embedding artificial intelligence ethics within its policies, while the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development sets broad intergovernmental standards. Both institutions aim to create a stable and trustworthy environment for artificial intelligence, supporting inclusive growth while safeguarding fundamental rights.